Hello, and welcome to Need Help Determining the Type of Assistance video tutorial for the United Nations Security Council Resolution 1540 Assistance Support Initiative Database, or ASI Database for short. This video will explain how to use the ASI database if you do not have a specific idea about the type of CBRN non-proliferation assistance your country needs. So let's begin. If you access this video from the home page, then you have already found your way to the website. If not, you can visit the website at 1540assistance.stimson.org. You can access the website from a computer, a mobile phone, or tablet, and you can do so using different browsers. Before we start searching, it is important to note that the number of projects and programs this video shows may look a little different to your number of projects and programs. This difference is because the Stimson Center is always working to ensure that this database stays as up to date as possible. This means that we continually add projects and programs, which changes the total number of results. To best illustrate how to use the ASI database when you do not have any specific assistance in mind, this video will use the country of Mexico's 2014 to 2017 National Action Plan because it presents relatively broad national CBRN non-proliferation assistance needs to effectively implement Resolution 1540. Now, from Mexico's 1540 National Implementation Action Plan of 2014, we know that the government has acknowledged a need for effective outreach programs to help educate its industry and business sector about their non-proliferation responsibilities. If you wish to check for yourself, you can find the plan on the 1540 Committee website here. Once you have made it to the ASI database homepage, you will see that there is a search bar and two filters, filter by donor and funding partner, and filter by region. However, based upon Mexico's acknowledged need in the action plan, conducting an advanced search will likely be more effective. Therefore, let's click on the database page at the top of the screen. You will notice on this page there are more search filters to use on the left side of the screen. If you would like to use multiple filters at a time, the database will automatically narrow your search each time you select a new filter. If you would like a more detailed explanation of what the filters are and what they do, please watch the Features of Database video tutorial. Now, let us begin our search for assistance projects on industry outreach programs. We will first start by narrowing the total number of projects and programs by using the Types of Activities search filter. If we select Network Development and Outreach, automatically search results change from over 1,400 total projects and programs to 236 projects and programs related to outreach and network development. The 236 project entries can help a user better define what kind of outreach they need and for which stakeholders. For instance, a user can learn that there are assistance activities in which law enforcement learn how to conduct effective outreach with the public when a biological event has occurred, as demonstrated by Interpol's workshop on public messaging in a biological event. So if a database user only knew that they wanted assistance to conduct outreach, they could scroll through these 236 search results to help them better define what kind of CBRN non-proliferation outreach is needed and which stakeholders could benefit the most from such engagement. Now, because Mexico's National Implementation Action Plan specified a need for outreach programs to engage its industry sector, to narrow these 236 search results, let's add the search term industry to the search bar. Just as a reminder, you can only search with English words. Instantaneously, search results drop from 236 to 31. From here, we can gain a better understanding of what CBRN topics governments and institutions are trying to engage industry on. For example, Japan, Australia, and the Philippines have funded, and OPCW has implemented, an industry workshop in the Philippines in 2007, in which government and chemical industry discussed the Chemical Weapons Convention's requirements and prohibitions, and how the chemical industry's verification mechanisms can strengthen chemical security. Let's also see if there are industry outreach initiatives in the Latin American region, what these programs looked like, and who funded them. So if we click on the regions filter, one of the first things we will notice is that the Caribbean and South America are not included, which means that the ASI database does not have record of any industry outreach projects or programs specifically offered in the Caribbean or South America. Searching by region may be helpful so that you can see what kind of assistance projects and programs are being offered around you. By using the regions filter, we learn that there is one project that is offered in both Central America and North America. The United States has an XBIZ project titled Strengthening Strategic Trade Controls in the Western Hemisphere. This assistance includes helping the governments of Mexico and Panama develop national industry outreach programs that will mitigate attempts by bad actors to purchase and or move illegal material across their national borders. Ultimately, it would appear that this U.S. government-funded assistance project may be meeting Mexico's reported need for effective outreach programs to help educate its industry and business sector about their non-proliferation responsibilities, particularly related to trade controls. Despite a relatively general request for industry outreach programs, the ASI database was able to narrow over 1,400 total results on CBRN assistance projects and programs to 236 network development and outreach project entries, to 31 network development and outreach activities for industry, to just one project entry on industry outreach activities in North and Central America. Thank you for watching this video. Should you have questions, feel free to watch our other How to Use videos. Visit our Frequently Asked Questions page, or leave us a note on our Contact Us page.